Hello, tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into a game-changing topic for developers and hobbyists alike: iOS emulators for PC. Whether you're aiming to develop apps, test them, or simply want to play iOS-exclusive games on your PC, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we explore the best iOS emulators available, their features, and how to get them up and running on your computer. First things first, let's define what an iOS emulator is. An iOS emulator is a software application that replicates the iOS operating system on non-iOS devices like PCs. This allows users to run iOS apps and games on their Windows computers, providing a seamless cross-platform experience. But why would someone need an iOS emulator? Let's find out. iOS emulators are not just about playing your favorite iOS games on a larger screen. They are crucial for developers who want to test their applications on different iOS versions without needing multiple iOS devices. Additionally, they offer a cost-effective solution for app testing, and for the everyday user, they open up a world of iOS apps and games that are otherwise inaccessible. Now, let's talk about the cream of the crop in iOS emulators for PC. We'll start with the most user-friendly options and move on to those that offer advanced features for developers. 1. iPadyan. iPadyan is known for its simplicity and ease of use. It offers a simulated iOS interface on your PC, allowing you to run apps and games. However, it's more of a simulator than a full-fledged emulator, meaning you can't run all iOS apps. But it's a great start for beginners. 1. Appetize.io. Next up is Appetize.io, a cloud-based iOS emulator that's perfect for developers looking to test apps. It's accessible through your web browser, requiring no installation, and offers a pay-as-you-go model for more intensive use. 1. Corellium. For a more advanced option, there's Corellium. It's designed with security professionals and developers in mind, offering real iOS device virtualization. This means you can test apps on virtualized hardware that accurately reflects physical iOS devices. Choosing the right iOS emulator depends on your needs. If you're a developer, Appetize.io or Corellium might be your best bet. For casual use or gaming, iPadyan offers a straightforward solution. Once you've selected an emulator, installation typically involves downloading the software from the official website, following the installation guide, and then downloading iOS apps or games to start using them. iOS emulators for PC open up a world of possibilities for both developers and casual users. They offer the flexibility to run iOS apps on Windows, making app development and testing more accessible and providing a gateway to iOS-exclusive content. Whether you're looking to develop, test, or play, there's an iOS emulator out there for you. Happy emulating! Thanks for watching our deep dive into iOS emulators for PC. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and guides. Until next time, keep exploring the digital world.